Hello, welcome back, and good to have you here again. So we want to look at how we can zip and unzip folder. So one of the reasons why you would want to zip a folder is because you just want to quickly send out the files inside that folder. Another reason is because you want to lessen the space or reduce the space it occupies in your hard drive. So let's get on into it so you see how fast it's done. So the first thing you need to do is to locate the folder or file that you wish to zip. For me, I want to use this as my example for this activity. So right click on the file, point to send to, hover your mouse to this place where you have sent to, and then click compressed folder. Yes, so that's it, so fast. So what happens is it compresses your folder and returns the same name of the file name, the one you compressed, in same location. You can see this is a compressed folder with the Z sign or symbol on it. And this is the file, the main folder that we have, which is not zipped. So what happens is right now, if you want to submit it or send this document to anybody, say in the office or your friend, all you need to do is to attach this particular one because it takes less time to attach and you're sure that all the information in here is sent out. Okay, so now let's see how we can unzip the folder that we earlier zipped. Otherwise, one of the reasons why you want to unzip a folder is so you can have easy access to it, and you can also make you can also modify the documents inside your folder. Now let's quickly go on. So easy, right click and go to extract here. And that's it. So now the same thing, you have the same file name. Now this is unzipped file. All you need to do is double click and go straight to the file or the file that you want to work with and make your modifications. But when it's inside a zip folder, unfortunately, you can't make modifications on the files or on the files inside the zip folder.